today Orbit came out. Today is Unity Day and we are promoting a bully-free zone school. Everybody's wearing orange, and so Orbit came out and presented his amazing show. I got a lot of great feedback on, him showing us how to be respectful to each other, being not tattling but reporting. He taught us that great lesson today. Can't wait to have him back next year and continue to promote bully-free zone.
Our counselor put together a bully-free show with the Astros, and it was very good to have here, and for the kids, so that way they get to know what's, the importance of not bullying and, reporting it and how we can report it to the adults or myself here on campus. So, nowadays there's a lot of crazy stuff going on out there. It's very good for the kids to be able to tell the difference on being safe, being not safe, and our Orbit kind of was able to implement that on there with, his Stop the Bullying presentation today.